It's a 2016 Subaru WRX. Vehicles that are easy to love for a long time. Subaru. It comes with great features you'll love. Intercooled turbo H4 engine, sports suspension, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated sports seats, internet radio, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, and manual transmission. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.